as of now, as we are speaking, the talks are on with the Congress party in Delhi. Let us see what is the outcome of that of these talks. I have asked for basically two seats with the Congress. One is Panjim and Kortalim seat. So I have got a candidate in Kortalim and Panjim myself. See, Congress is always a late starter. So there is nothing new as far as the Congress is concerned. Congress never decides on these issues well in advance. It is always at the last moment. So now it is basically a time, because now the Election Commission has already announced the dates. So now there is no further delay. So Congress party basically is meeting today to finalize the alliance as well as their candidates. Let's see the outcome. There are so many parties which are going to field candidates. We are never looking at one-sided contest. And I always take elections very seriously. And I always say that I am at the best when the elections come. So as far as these candidates are concerned, there are so many other parties which are going to field candidates. There was never going to be a seat which are going to get unopposed nowadays. First of all, it is very important. It is you should know your voters. And as far as Panjim is concerned, it is not new to me. I have met my voters in Panjim on 3 different occasions during this 3 terms of our city corporation. Plus my councillors are at work, who have won and who have basically lost. So they are all at work. So that has given me basically a boost.